Alright guys, this is a all white PC build with an unlimited budget. So yeah. So first we have the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D because it has a lot of power and you're gonna be getting a lot of frames with this, even if you're not using CPU frames. And then we have the Montech Hyperflow. It's a really good looking AIO, and it does the job well. So yeah. And then now we have the Gigabyte B850 Eagle Wi-Fi 7. So yeah, it has Wi-Fi, and it'll be good for the CPU. And now we have G-Skill Trident, which this actually costs a lot, but it has fast, so it's good. And then we have the Samsung 960 Pro, 2TB. So yeah, you'll get a lot of stuff loaded up on this, cause yeah. And then for the GPU, we have the 9060 XT. White, yeah, very good card. And then for the case, we have the Height Y70 Touch Infinite. It's a really good looking, and like if you have an unlimited budget, so you get it. And then this power supply, cause